Breaking news: Bitcoin collapsing. The bottom is not in. We don't know where the bottom is. No one could predict the bottom. But there is one person out there that predicts the bottom. And that person is, that's right, your very own Jim Cramer, Mad Money. He expects Bitcoin to fall to 12,000. 12,000 is the mark, he's saying. The host of Mad Money, Jim Cramer, has predicted that Bitcoin price will fall to 12,000. He also recommends Bitcoin and Ethereum for people wanting to invest. Well, besides that, he believes that he was asked whether he thinks Bitcoin is going to bounce from current levels or whether Bitcoin will go down another 50% or more. He replied, he thinks it goes to 12,000, where it was before this whole fiasco began. He thinks that people involved with Bitcoin have to take another stand. The Mad Money host stressed, we need some guys to just say, look, this is the level. That's typical of what happens when it's about to really drop big. He emphasized they can't let it go down anymore. So he believes the 12,000 mark will be the bottom. I don't think anybody knows the bottom. There are a lot of technical analysis out there. You have a lot of YouTube influencers out there, and they're all predicting a bottom. I don't know where they get a bottom, how they predict bottoms, but I know you read charts, like they say, charts don't lie. But if it was that easy, everybody would know when to buy or sell, right? If you know the bottom, then wait for the bottom. I believe that the bottom can't be predicted. You can read as many charts as you want, but I don't think you can actually pinpoint a bottom. You probably can predict by reading charts where you, in your opinion, may think the bottom is, but other than that, it's all speculation. Everyone's speculating the bottom because it's downfalling, and there is no. It's breaking through all resistant levels, meaning support levels. It's just dropping all down. There is no support level right now. It's just like bottomed out. At this point now, it's just under 20. It's at 19 and change. So it's trying to find the bottom. That's what I believe. But this is Sunday. Markets are closed. The markets open later tonight. Obviously, the Asian markets. And from there, we can see if the markets open up in positive territory or negative territory. And then we'll see if the futures market is it in positive or negative territory. That will predict the way of Bitcoin. We open up in negative territory, obviously Bitcoin will go further down. And I believe it has a lot further down to go. I don't think it hit any bottom yet, or I'm not predicting a bottom. I don't know what the bottom is. I don't think anybody knows what the bottom is. Anybody can suggest the bottom, but I think no one knows. And what do? Well, you have a lot of weak hands out there. A lot of those weak hands, they just sell. But besides that, we had a lot of problems with Luna, collapsing of Luna, the collapsing of Celsius. What do? They froze all your assets. You couldn't withdraw anything. Yeah, because most of these things are Ponzi schemes. That's what's going on right now. Ponzi schemes. Everybody's being scammed. They're taking your money and run. So who do you trust? You can't trust anyone. The Bitcoin, listen, it's a decentralized cryptocurrency. Every other cryptocurrency out there, all those other shit coins are out there. I don't think they do anything. I think it's just a lot of these are created just to siphon money. That's my opinion. I think they're all a bunch of Ponzi schemes. And it's just like what do you call those, multi-level marketing or pyramid scheme. You gotta get people in. You got a lot of influencers on YouTube that pump a lot of these nonsense coins because listen, they're first in, and they're gonna be the first out. Remember that. First in, first out. You collect, and then you end up being the bag holder, holding nothing, air. So I believe that Bitcoin will survive. Bitcoin is bottoming. Bitcoin hasn't bottomed yet, but it'll find. The dust is gonna settle. You'll see. Eventually, the dust settles, and we'll see where the bottom is. Right now, it's still very volatile. It still coincides with the market. Everything so far, the market is in bear market, correction territory, wherever. It's still down. It's downtrending right now. Everything's in the downtrend. So I believe eventually, nothing in the near future of Bitcoin is going to look pretty. But eventually, what goes down must go back up. What goes up must go down. And we're at the downtrend. That's it. That's my advice. That's my that's my take on it. But for people out there that want to invest, DCA into Bitcoin, dollar cost average, weekly, daily, monthly, however you want, small amounts, little at a time, won't hurt. Not a financial advisor, but the best way to invest is DCA, dollar cost average. That's it. That's my little input I got. So if you like, subscribe, click the notification bell. So until next time.